Alright guys, I made it to Pismo Beach. Let me show you my hotel room. It's by the beach. Here's my hotel room, number 330. So my hotel room's over here, and then if you walk out here, you have a nice view of the beach, of the pool. So that's nice. Now let's go inside and see what it looks like. I was actually hoping to get like a little balcony, like a private balcony, but that's okay. But I thought walk outside, you can see the nice beach view. I can hear the beach waves from my room. Even if I close the door, I can still hear the beach waves, so that's cool. So this is a keyed room. It's a northern coastal view on the website. So let me show you around. So I'm assuming this is the heater or air conditioning. Cool, yeah, it has cool heat. I think this is similar to the Motel 6, but have a little dining table for you to eat, do computer work, and a little nightstand. Here's the king size bed. Here's an LG TV. Here's some, you can put your clothes over here. That's cool. Yeah, chair, desk. There's another nightstand. If you want to hang your clothes, you can do that here. Here's a mirror. Here's a little refrigerator. Nothing inside. A little microwave. Small coffee pot with some coffee. Looks like we got decaf and regular sugar coffee cups. Ooh, nice coffee cups. Here's the sink. Conditioner, shampoo, lotion. And let's look at the bathroom. Pretty nice bathtub, I think. So yeah, this is my room for the next couple of days. I booked it because it was literally right on the beach, and from the reviews, people were like saying this is the best location, and it's an average hotel. It's not super fancy, but it's average. Maybe a little higher class than a Motel 6, but you got a nice beach view room. You're supposed to get a breakfast, a little breakfast, but I think they're not going to do that because of COVID, which is fine. I'm not big on breakfast. So that is my room, guys.